Hi everyone, my name is Alina and you're watching Marvelous Designer Tool by Tool tutorial part 18. So let's begin. Today I'm going to talk about Zipper. Zipper is a tool that you can find it on 3D window, as you see. And let's see how it works. Immediately, I don't have any introduction for it because it doesn't have even the shortcut. So when you select a zipper tool, you will have this blue dot that is for starting your zipper, either on 3D pattern window, 3D window, or your 2D pattern window. As you see, you can also use both of them while you're making your zipper. So let's see how it works. First, for starting, you should left click, and sometimes when you are going, for example, I'm going to arrive to this point, but sometimes maybe it gets confused for how to get to this point. So you may just do, for example, this is an example that it goes on the left, but I want it here. You just do one click. In this way, it doesn't go in the other side anymore. Okay, I make another click, and here for finishing the left part of my zipper, I should do a double click. Okay, now the next. This black line means that one side of our zipper is finished. For the other side, I choose this line, this point. It shouldn't be by force on a point. It can be also in the middle of a line. So one click. I can even continue it on 3D window. One click. And when this dark blue line appears, it means that I don't have any other way. I should finish my zipper on this blue dot. So I double click on it. And when these lines appear, it means that your zipper is done. So let's simulate. And it's finished. So let's see now what we have here. I have too many problems here right now. One part, I can see the front of the zipper on the left and the wrong side on the right. So what should I do? I click on it. Let me see. I think it's okay. I click on it, right click. This menu appears. I can delete it, reverse, flip normal, deactivate, freeze, and show or hide it. I can also say which part I want to hide. Okay, for now, I flip normal this part. In this way, I can have the front part of both sides of my zipper. But as you see, my slider is here. And I'm going to bring it to the top. What should I do? Right click again. Now reverse this side, and now reverse the other side. Both sides. And now my zipper is correct. If I'm going to if I'm going to open this zipper on this point, what should I do? When I'm not on simulation mode, I click on my puller I click here and drag it, for example, here. Now I simulate, and that's it. And after you finish your work, maybe sometimes it's inside, the zipper is inside. Before exporting your file, you should adjust the appearance of your zipper. Then on the property editor, if I click on this, I have different options. That all of them are for the appearance. You can have a different shape of slider and puller, everything you can change. It's just for the appearance and the texture, as you see here, the material and everything. So just this option, I'm going to tell it here. Oh, now that I click on my zipper, here I can name it. I can change the size, the teeth width, the total width, thickness, particle distance. And here, if I want my zipper, if I can pull it, now since my puller is on the left side, I should sit. Okay. Now I'm going to open everything. Here I have this fasten button and I uncheck it, and now it's open. Then for the rest of it is like before. You can change the appearance of your teeth or the tape. For example, if you want blue teeth and a tape you want it to be orange, you can change everything, also the fabric and the material and effects. And yes, that's it. And now you can use this useful tool for your projects. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye.